Hey gang, so as promised, I want to show you briefly on video so you have it, how I want you to format your assignments in Excel. So I'm going to pull up an Excel document here. Okay, here's our basic Excel blank document. You'll notice you have 3 sheets here. Okay, let's assume it's a 6-question homework assignment, so we can add sheets. I'm just going to click Insert, Insert, Insert. Okay, so now we have 6. Next thing I want you to do is rename those based on the question. So that's a right click, rename, and then very simple, we'll go number 1, rename, number 2, rename, number 3, etc. Okay, let's assume question 1, there's really no math. Okay, it's just a thinking question. So Excel isn't really built for text, although you can do it. It's built for formulas, but there's a way to make the text look neat. So I go up to Insert, hit Text Box, and then I get, so my cursor changes a little bit, so I hold down the left cursor and I create this text box. And then I can write in here whatever I want, blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to type this. Okay, and then that looks fairly neat. You can also, make this smaller or wider or narrower. You can move it around. So if it is something that requires some math and explanation, so you put the math over here equals, I don't know, 2 plus 2, and helps I write a 2, not an @ sign, right? Okay, and then I put the explanation beside it. I do more math down here, and then I put in a text box and beside that, right? Okay, so sorry, my typing is sloppy right now. So this is basically how I want you to format all your assignments in Excel, which will be most, but not all of them. 2 reasons I want you to do this. A, it just makes it a neat, easy format for me to follow. B, and more importantly, I just want you to get comfortable in Excel. The more comfortable you feel, the more you play around with it, the more you're going to feel comfortable doing more complex things as we get to this. So insert text box, write the text, and then do your math in the actual cells. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great week.